Man succumbed to injuries in St. Anne car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 5 people were seriously injured during a 2-vehicle crash on the Queens Highway in St. Anne on Wednesday morning. Police sources told reporters that the collision took place sometime before 8 a.m. and involves a Mark X motor car and a minibus. The fire brigade and the police were called to the scene and the injured persons taken to hospital. The severity of those injured in the crash are unknown at this time. During the publication of this report, we were reliably informed that one of the individuals that were among the 5 that was injured during the crash has passed away. He has been identified as Gregory Lee of a Kellett's Clarendon address. It's reported that a Toyota minibus collided with the Toyota Mark X motor car. It is further reported that the minibus was traveling along the main road when it collided with the Mark X, which was traveling in the opposite direction. The firefighters had their work cut out when they arrived on the scene to extricate the wounded people from the mangled wreckage. They were taken to hospital where Lee later succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment.
My God. Oi. Every single day. The man them take up the vehicle off of the ground like a garbage started. So you not just call him?
Get out.
One thing with Jamaica, we not gonna learn. We not gonna learn.
The other people remain hospitalized in serious condition. Links 007 TV will have a subsequent report to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.